Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. The next challenge is called Calendar Module and it is categorized as easy. Our task is to get month, date and year from the input and calculate the weekday name from those inputs. So, first of all, I'm going to import the calendar module in Python. Then we handle our three inputs, so month, day and year will be equal to map to integer from input dot split. After that we should find the weekday index, so I create a variable like, for example, weekday index, and it will be equal to calendar dot weekday from our year, month and day. Then we should find the name of that specific index, so I write, for example, weekday name is equal to calendar dot day name of that index, which is weekday index, and at the end we print our weekday name. Let's run the code. Okay, it is telling that our answer is wrong, but it's because our answer should be in uppercase like this, but its value is correct. So I modify here a little bit. I make it weekday dot upper. Let's run the code again, and it is correct this time. Let's submit the code, and all the test cases are correct. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.